Hi everyone. Today on Hello Susan, we're starting a new journal. Spring is in the air for me. I know it's still winter, but I got daffodils blooming outside, so I'm ready. This kit is called Dreams of Spring, and it's got all kinds of beautiful stuff in there. Of course, all the beautiful flowers and all the butterflies and bunnies. But let me go ahead and show you the papers real quick so you can see. Pretty colors. Pink, greens, purples, blues. Bloom where you are planted. Love that. Some of them are just like another kit that I had, to where this one's got a plant wish list, seed wish list, and garden notes. And what you do is you print 2 of them, and then you put them face to face so that when they're in the journal, you'll be able to see the full page. And then when you turn it this way, you've got the full page again. There's 3 of those in here. This one's in pink and green. See the bunny and the bluebirds, the iris, spring blossoms. And then this one says garden layout and garden to-dos. And this one's got iris and some lilacs blooming, butterflies, birds. So you print 2 of those, so it does exactly the same thing. And then this is the 3rd one. So this could be your planner for your garden. It's got trees and shrubs, spring bulbs, seed inventory. And then you've got your hydrangea and your forget-me-nots, some wild roses, daffodils, butterflies, birds. But the colors are very happy and very pretty. You can print those pages as many times as you want and make a whole journal that's just those pages if you want. Lots of journaling space on here. Look at the wind chimes. I had fun doing that one. And then this is the ephemera that comes with the kit. This is a seed packet, and this is it right here. I've got it all made up so you could see what it looks like. It's about 4 inches big when it's all made up. And then here's some more seed packets. Here's this one right here. So when it's all folded up, it does get quite a bit smaller, but just right to fit in your journal. Now you can put your journal cards, you can put actual seeds, you can do whatever you want inside there. And then here's this one. So they're progressively different sizes so that you could group them if you want to. Just gives you multiple ways to use it. And that's the back of that one. And here's this one. Got the bee. So cute. And then it shows you right here how to do the seed packets in case you can't figure it out, but I think everybody could. Y'all are very smart. And here's some tags and a belly band. Very Eastery too, but I didn't mean it to be Easter. It's just that in spring you start thinking about bunnies and everything. Now this is a heart pocket, so this one turns around. Let me turn it around so you can see it. And fits right here. And then you can put tags, you can put the seeds, you can put whatever. And this does fit inside your journal. Or you can use it on the outside of your journal. And this is the background page that comes with it. Isn't it pretty? Just so springy. Well, I am looking forward to spring. Now, I'm going to stop this video now because I need to work on the cover, but I'll be right back with the cover and we'll make some tags to go in the cover together. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, I'm back and got set up with the cover. So we're going to make 4 tags. Let me show you the cover real quick. Let me move this stuff out of the way. This is an altered file folder cover. And it's got a closure. Right now it's pretty puffy. I've got to press it down just a little bit to close it, so I'm not going to worry about it. It's got a sari silk wraparound in pink with a bunny charm and a flower on the end. It's got lots of fussy cutting. It's got a pocket on the back, and these are some more tags that we're going to decorate today. Pink trim, ruffle. This is the background that comes with the kit. It's got lace here. Now I did do all the fussy cutting, and then on top of the fussy cutting I have put some tulle netting, and that is going to protect it, because I figure if you're just rubbing your hands along, you could just pick up little pieces over time. I glued it down very well, but I just wanted to make sure. It's got a flower trim here on top of a white ribbon. Let's go ahead and open it up. See all the fussy cutting? It looks like a garden, doesn't it? I'm not going to do a whole flip through right now because we're just going to make the tags, but I want to give you a feel for it. Okay, so I'm going to move this out of the way and we'll just get started on the tags. Okay, so I found these tags. They're pre-made, but they are made out of the same material that the file folder is. So I went ahead and put in my rayon seam binding for the toppers, and I inked them all, and I've just picked out some pictures from the kit, and we're going to glue those in place. See if I can remember how this goes. I think it goes like that. Okay, so I've got 4 tags to do. It's going to be very simple. Let me get my glue going. My cat is right by the back door just meowing, and I've already fed her, so I think she just hears my voice and just wants more attention, but she'll be fine. I just came in within 30 minutes from being with her. Okay, so I'm going to put this about in the center like that. Just line it up, press it down real good. Okay, and then I've got some bits and pieces over here that I want to put on. I want to put this green trim right here. I've got 2 of them. Each one is going to be the same but different because we're using different pictures. But it's going to be the same look. So we have a cohesiveness going on. And a little bit of glue down here. Isn't it cute? I just love cottage gardens, and that's what I have. I love that style. Very free and wild looking kind of, but with lots of roses and all kinds of flowers. Then I've got this trim. Put that on the top here so it looks a little bit fancier. Let's see how that looks. Oh, that looks cute, doesn't it? Whoops. Pulled it up with my finger. There we go. So that's what they're going to look like. Isn't that cute? Now, one thing that I had to remember is like that back pocket is pretty flat. So that's why I'm opting for something that is pretty flat to go on there. I don't want it to get caught, and I don't want it to get messed up either. Okay. Let's put this one in place. Isn't that cute? And I've got a flower to go on this one. Let's see, I think that side would be good. So let's put that down before we put the lace down. Well, she settled down, that's good. Lots of little pieces on these fussy cuts. It just makes such a cute statement. Okay, let's put the green trim on. So Edith on Scrapbooking with Me showed a digital kit that I sent her on her channel yesterday, and a lot of you came over and subscribed. So thanks so much, Edith, and thank you for subscribing. Welcome to my channel. Okay, let's move that one out of the way a little bit, and let's do the next one. Okay. I've got lots of daffodils blooming in my garden right now. I planted in the fall, I planted 150. And in my mind, that was a lot. But I did them in little pockets where I did like maybe 8, 9 together. So what I have is I have a bunch of clusters that's all blooming, but it sure is making me happy. And they're supposed to naturalize, so I'm hoping that they'll just get thicker all the time. I don't believe I'm going to add any more since they come back every year. Oh, I put glue there already. Start to do it again. Okay, and on this one we're going to put a bunny. It's got a bunch of little pieces down at the bottom, so I got to be sure and include glue on all of those. I don't want any of this to come up, but I sure like the way it layers and makes it look so pretty. So what's blooming in your garden now? Cute, huh? Okay, we've got one more to do. This is a music sheet that says, "I love a little cottage." Get it centered on the page. There we go. We got some azaleas on this one. Okay. Let's just go ahead and put these down at the bottom a little bit. Not too close because we got to put that green lace on. Oh, I think these are adorable. keep wanting to put that glue on there after I've already done it. Okay, let's add these little trim pieces. I can press it down and then get my fingers off of it so it can stick. Try this. Well, that's working a little bit better. There we go. And one more. This is a silicone spatula, so it helps not to stick. Okay, well here we are. Here's all 4 of them. Let's see. There we go. And I'll put those in the journal. You saw in the pocket in the back and then one inside. Well, thanks so much for joining me today. Have a creative day. See you next time. Bye-bye.